I welcome you all to this another session of Geography of Class 9. And in this class today, we'll be talking about the physiographic divisions of India, which is a very important chapter or topic. Like before beginning, the first and the foremost thing is that in this particular topic, we don't have to only confine ourselves to theory. It is very important to have a picture in your mind, to have a representation of like India in your mind that where the physical divisions are located. That way, this topic will become easy. And starting with the various physical divisions of India, first of all, we have the first and the major physical division of India, that is the northern plains, or we can say the Himalayan part of India. The northern plains of India, they consist of mountains. And the first range, the northernmost range, it is known as Greater Himalayas or Himadri. And then towards the south of this particular line, to the south, we have the Lesser Himalayas. And towards like the end, the, this particular part, this continuous range is the Shivaliks or the foothills of Himalayas. So, the northern plain of India is divided into three parts. First, the southern part, we have the northernmost part, it is the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. To its south, we have this particular continuous range. This is the Lesser Himalayas, and to the south of these Himalayas, we have the Shivaliks. Moving towards the west, this particular part, we have the Western Desert. This is the western part, and this is the second most important physical divisions of India, that is the western part. And in this particular part, we have the Thar Desert. This is the hottest part of India, and one important river which flows through this particular part, this physical division, is the Luni River, and mostly the salty lakes are found there. For example, we have the Sambar Lake, right? So this is characterized by less vegetation, less rainfall, and high temperature. Then we have the central part, this particular part of India. This is the northern part of India. This part is the most productive part in terms of agriculture because it has fertile soil. It is as a result of interplay of three major rivers. We have the Ganga, Indus, and the Brahmaputra, right? The alluvial, the rich soil which is brought by these three rivers from the Himalayas, they get deposited in this particular part, and hence the soil is very rich. We have the alluvial soil there. So this covers this northern part of India or northern plain of India. It covers an area of 7 lakh square kilometers. Now moving forward, we have the peninsular India. Now what is a peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land which has water on three sides. Yes, that is known as peninsula, which has water on three sides, right? This is the peninsula, and it is further divided into the Malwa and the Deccan Plateau. Then we have the coastal plains of India. We have two coastal plains of India. We have the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. This eastern coastal plain is further divided into various coasts, right? Here we have the Konkan coast from Daman to Goa, it is divided into Konkan coast, and from Goa to Kanyakumari, it is further divided into Malabar coast, right? Then on the eastern side, we have the northern Sarkars, this part, and then we have the Coromandel coast, right? From this particular point to this Tamil Nadu, we have the Coromandel coast. Then we have, after this, we have the island groups of India. The island groups of India, we have two important island groups of India. We have the Lakshadweep and we have the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is the Lakshadweep group of island, and where it is? It is in the Arabian Sea, right? And we have the Andaman Nicobar Island over here, and where it is? It falls in the Bay of Bengal. It's further divided into, like, we have so many islands there, right? And in Lakshadweep also, it is also divided into various islands. And one most important point, which is the end point of India, southern point of India, that is the Indira Point, right? Indira Point is here, and it is the end, the extreme point of India. Where it lies in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. This was the broad classification of the various physiographic divisions of India. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.